Hello, I wanted to show if you receive this message of new sender requirements for your domain. Mailchimp and all email marketing service platforms have been doing this authentication. So I want to show you what you need to do. You want to just go ahead and hit this Start Authentication button, and it's going to check your domain to make sure that your domain is synced and right. And then you'll log into your SiteGround or whatever your hosting platform is, and you'll continue those steps. So if you are using a service, a hosting, which you are, a hosting platform for if you have a website, then you will need to go through and do these steps to authenticate your domain. Okay, it's going to help with your sending. Thanks. Bye.